Want to finally take back control of your inbox and hit that elusive inbox zero? This is how you do it. Hey friends, I'm Tasia Custode, and in this video, I'm showing you exactly how to achieve inbox zero in Gmail with SaneBox. Now look, achieving inbox zero isn't about spending hours manually deleting emails. It's about working smarter. And that's where SaneBox comes in. It's an AI email organizer and management service that automatically filters your incoming mail, placing messages of lesser importance into separate folders to be sorted out later. This leaves your main inbox open only for the most important pieces of mail that actually require your attention. Fancy that. And even though today I'm showing you how to clean up Gmail using SaneBox, it actually works across email platforms. It literally works wherever you check your mail, allowing you to focus on the messages that matter. And by the way, this can save you up to 2 hours a week on email management. It's okay, you can thank me later. And because SaneBox is sponsoring this video, you're getting a $25 sign-up credit via the affiliate link in the description below. Thanks, SaneBox. To get started on your path to inbox zero, click that affiliate link below, snag your credit, and simply click to connect your email account. Once you're in, SaneBox allows you to enable trainable folders to help you clear the clutter. So in Gmail, these trainable folders become labels, giving you easy access to all your mail no matter how it's sorted at any time. It's these trainable folders that make hitting inbox zero possible. So for example, because of my YouTube channel, I get a lot of spam and random company outreach in my Gmail, but I also get crucial emails from brand partners that I absolutely cannot afford to miss or have drowned out by the junk. This is where SaneBox core features save the day. So let's start with one of those absolute best features for hitting inbox zero, SaneLater. This clears your inbox of all those unimportant messages so you can focus on what matters, moving everything else out of the way until it's a time that's convenient for you. Upon sign up, SaneBox scans your individual email habits, like which emails you open, which you respond to, how quickly, and how often. And based on that, it automatically cleans those lesser important messages out of your inbox and places them into a folder called SaneLater. Now, when you head into your SaneLater folder, you can bulk delete unimportant emails all at once, instantly freeing up your inbox without the manual headache. And don't worry if something important accidentally lands in there. All you have to do is drag it back to your inbox and it'll automatically retrain SaneBox so all future emails from that sender will land exactly where they belong. Conversely, if an email hits your main inbox that you don't need in top of mind right now, drag that into SaneLater and future emails from that sender will skip your inbox entirely. Next up, to maintain inbox zero, you're gonna need to stop the bleeding. I'm talking cutting off all those unwanted newsletters entirely. To do this, I use SaneBlackHole because I can't tell you how many times I've hit unsubscribe on a newsletter only to have that same newsletter pop back up in my inbox a week later. With SaneBlackHole, that will never happen again. So when you move an email into this folder, future emails from that sender are automatically stored here and eventually sent straight to the trash. It's perfect for when you don't want to bother trying to unsubscribe or you just want to completely block a specific sender. They're literally banished. And if you make a mistake, remember, you can just drag that email out of Blackhole to retrain it. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about those newsletters you actually like receiving, but you don't want them cluttering up your daily workspace? Well, for that, you can toggle on the SaneNews folder. Automatically, those non-urgent newsletters bypass your main inbox and land in your SaneNews folder. So now, instead of being distracted all day, I just pop into this folder about once a week and catch up on my reading. And if a newsletter slips into the main inbox, just drag it over to the SaneNews label and future editions will skip that inbox entirely and land right here. Now, I know we talked about all the ways to automatically clear out your inbox, but if the thought gives you a little anxiety that you might be missing something important, you can enable a daily digest email. This gives you a quick, comprehensive summary of the unimportant, unread emails sitting in your Sane folders, as well as recent trainings. So clicking through takes you to your dashboard where you can bulk delete, move, or mark them all as read. If a newsletter requires immediate attention, just this one time, you can click Inbox once to pull it into your main view. If you want it there permanently, just click the inbox icon to retrain it. And you can enable or disable any of these folders at any time from your dashboard, depending on how it is you like to work. And don't forget to snag your $25 SaneBox credit via the affiliate link in the description below. So now I want to hear from you. How do you achieve inbox zero? Any tips to share? Let everyone know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, well, I want to know. So give it a like, a share, or leave that comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel and here for more content just like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.